is us.
It is we.
It is we. It is I. It is you. It is me. I look funny. Anyway, I'm Shelby.
I'm Woody.
And we're us.
That's true.
We are camping in Springville Canyon, Jolly's Ranch. And we rented a van and it's freaking cool. I will probably maybe do a tour. Do you think the owner would mind? We
Probably
did a tour.
not. It's okay.
Quick tour.
Mind the mess.
Bed. Yeah, maybe we just rented it for 2 nights. We're staying here for 2 nights. It's kind of cool. I wish it were more. But this is the front. This is the cab. And then that's the bed. I'm super sorry it's messy. This is a counter. And then they have 2 little benches. There's actually a toilet under this bench. Probably won't use that. Oh, there's pans under there? That's cool. They've got a little oven. And this lifts up and there's 2 gas burners on it. Yeah. If you want to show them. That's cool. There's a sink. It only has cold water. The water pump is in the back, along with all the other electrical. So yeah, it's really cool. And the reason we rented a van is because I've been super into van life lately, and I really want to get one and convert one and be able to go off grid and be gone for months at a time, because I think that's awesome. This is a Dodge Promaster, right?
Yep.
Do you know what the wheelbase is?
No, I don't. It's the shorter one.
It's the shorter one. So we're looking actually at a Mercedes Sprinter and the 170-inch wheelbase. Which is
I can stand up in this one just
longer.
fine.
Yeah, we can stand up in this. And we're tall people. He's 6'1". I'm 5'9.5". But yeah, he put like this wood paneling on the ceiling and laminate floors. And then he has this really cute, the Adventure Begins board, and people that rent the van put stickers on it. And write their name and the dates. So yeah, we created an Instagram yesterday, which is super exciting. And we are calling it Encompass Adventure. And I'm super shocked that nobody took that name, but dibs. It's ours now. So yeah, we will be posting videos like this, and hopefully when we get our own van, we're gonna put van conversion videos up. So this is really cool for any of you building a fan. It's kind of, building a van.
Building a fan van.
Yeah. Let's turn the lights on. What is this? Is this a Fantastic fan?
It's a Max
This one's
fan.
controlled by a remote, and it has a rain sensor on it. How many speeds does it have?
A lot. So it goes from, you can do 10%, 20, all the way up.
It's pretty cool.
And it goes air in, or you can, so air in and air out.
That's cool. If you're building a van, you definitely need one of these. Like, it is not even a question. You have to have a fan. You have to have ventilation. Look at that. And it's closing. That's cool. So this is the outside of the van in all its nature. The front and, oh, my husband. Oh my gosh. Oh, you know, just chilling on the roof. Got a solar panel up here. Pretty views. So we just saw a deer.
Two deer.
Two deers. Deers?
Deer.
Two
Two
deer.
deer.
2 females. Does.
Doe,
A deer. Oh.
2 female deer.
We're meant to be married.
Ray. Oh, sorry.
Anyway, what were you saying? That's the closest you've
That's
ever
the closest I've been to a deer in the wild.
Yeah, it was just really cool to see. We were like sneaking up on it, and the footage doesn't really do it justice.
We were so far away.
Because we were actually closer than, objects in camera are closer than they appear. But it was really cool, and now we're adventuring before it gets too dark. Oh, okay, last time I vlogged on a freaking mountain, I fell.
Version 2.0.
maybe I'll insert that footage here. Ooh, oh. So hopefully I don't fall down this mountain because it's much bigger. But it's starting to rain, so our adventure was cut short. We've literally been adventuring for like 2 minutes. And we don't want to get rained on, and I think it's gonna snow tonight. See, all that's all foggy and snow-like. So we're going back down the mountain and maybe make some dinner. Everyone else already had dinner. We had some s'mores. Do you hear that? I love that sound of the wind blowing through the dead leaves and the trees and stuff. What was that?
I said I'm hungry, but I don't want to make dinner.
Same. I think we've decided that we really want to buy a van. I mean, I already did, but
now I'm on board.
Yeah, now he's on board because this has been really awesome. We already have a pop-up tent trailer, but it's kind of a pain in the butt sometimes to take up and take down. And tonight it's supposed to snow according to the weather, which is always changing in Utah, but
I'm excited for the snow.
Yeah, it'd be cool to wake up in the snow. So it's about, I don't know what time it is, 6? Like 6 o'clock right now?
Well, if I look at the position of the sun, it's exactly 6 p.m.
So maybe we'll start some dinner soon and head to bed. So we were in bed watching a movie, House Bunny actually, on this cool little setup we got going. Oh, it's kind of dark. Let's see the phone right here. We're watching a movie, and then we realized that we didn't eat dinner and we're hungry. So what are we doing?
Making tortellini.
We're making tortellini.
The sauce is basically done.
Spaghetti sauce, red sauce, and tortellini. Mmm. And it's cool because it's only 9:42. But like I said, we didn't eat dinner, so we're hungry. And the nice thing about in a van is we can hop right out of bed, right into the kitchen. And our little fridge was right there. It's a little cold, so we started the van to warm it up, and this should be yummy. Yummy late night snack slash super late dinner.
Okay, it's like 900 degrees in here. It's so hot.
Drama.
And she won't shut off the van.
It's not warm enough yet.
It's hot.
Woody runs hot.
It's really hot in here. I don't have a shirt on. I'm wearing leggings and socks. And it's like 30 degrees outside. I'm wearing nothing but leggings and socks. And it's 30 degrees outside.
It's toasty in here.
Shut the fan off.
I'll do it in a second. Marriage. Well, it's dark. We're getting rained out. So, good night. Alright, so even though it's almost noon, we're just taking our time. That's the best thing about camping is you're not on a schedule. So my lovely husband Woody's cutting some potatoes over there.
Nice name.
And we're having a, what did you call it?
Lunch.
Lunch.
It's not brunch.
It's not brunch.
It's not breakfast.
Because it's breakfast lunch, not lunch breakfast. Does that make sense? I don't know. I have been eating vegetarian lately. Well, technically pescatarian because I still eat fish and seafood, but for almost 2 months now I've been vegetarian. And we're making like a, what would you call this? A hash?
Yep.
I guess. We're gonna cook these vegetarian sausage patties, cut up some potatoes. It's gonna be bomb because we planned out this really awesome breakfast or lunch for today. And we were literally in the store yesterday and we got cucumbers, goat cheese, avocados, tomatoes. And it's funny because I was like, babe, I really think we're missing something for this sandwich. And it was an avocado. And so I went and grabbed the avocado and I was like, see, I told you we were forgetting something. So about an hour and a half ago, he's like, babe, you know what we actually forgot for the sandwich? Bread. So we don't have anything to put our sandwich in, so we're gonna have to save that when we get home and eat it for later. So we just decided, or make a dip, but I don't think it'll be as good. So we're just deciding to have a late big breakfast, and hopefully that will hold us over until dinner. But then we also realized for our snack we got some chips and salsa, and we were so stoked about it because Woody really likes this certain kind of these certain kinds of chips. They're Don Julio lightly salted, which is, they have like this seasoned salt on it. And so he's so stoked to get those, get here. Also realized when we didn't have bread, we didn't have chips. So, sorry, that's cool. Thanks, babe. Vegetarian sausage with potatoes. That's good enough for me.
Are you sure?
And an egg on top. Hopefully one day I'll go vegan. But until then, oh, there's a frisbee golf course here, and every time we come camping here, we're here with some friends. They like to go frisbee golfing. I like the walk. It's really pretty. So I'll take you guys on that adventure. Threw his frisbee and it went into the water. And now it's in there. What'd you do, babe?
I hit a tree.
Yeah? What happened to your frisbee? The orange one. Careful. Did you get it out?
Yeah. Stupid trees.
Did you regret everything?
Nope.
Babe's just having a hard time with this frisbee golf thing. He's done it a lot, but what just happened to you, babe? Did it hit you in the naughty no-no place?
That branch.
So I thought it'd be too cold for snakes. I don't know. It's not like they hibernate. I don't even know. Do they? Whatever. Our friend just found one and pulled one out by the river, and I hate snakes. Probably shouldn't admit that on the internet, but I hate them. All snakes. Oh, they make my toes curl, and they're like squiggly and ugh. And I know that we need them and they're good for the environment mostly, but they're just freaking, it's just one of those things. I do not like them. That's all. This tunnel is my favorite hole. They stand here and they shoot it and try to get it all the way over there where they're standing. But that is where they just found a snake and we're holding it and picked it up, and so I'm gonna go this way, walk the long way, and I'm freaked out. Good morning. Good morning to you.
No.
Can't even see him. Say hi, Olive. She was up here on this bed.
Yeah, you can see me.
Oh, hi, babe.
Hi.
How did you sleep?
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Look outside. It's so fall-like. It is cold. It is October. We are camping.
It's not that cold.
And we're in a van. And it's awesome.
It is pretty awesome.
Alright, we're leaving. It's time. We're on our way home.
It was fun.
It was lots of fun. if you guys have ever questioned wanting to get a van, do it, because it's awesome. Or just rent one to try it out. And like, that's been a huge game changer for us. Our layout would obviously be different, and we'd get probably a little bit of a bigger van, but definitely try it out. Even to camp with, even if you don't want to get a van, try it out. It's awesome. Bye!
Bye.